It is recommended for any wood burning unit that you periodically check the gaskets on the glass, the door, and you also want to inspect the fire bricks for any damage, as well as the baffle. Friendly Fires does stock our Ambiance brand glass cleaner that you can pick up at any one of our 5 locations, online, or you can purchase it through the link below. Other ways you can mitigate issues starting a fire is if you have a cold exterior chimney, you can heat up the firebox using something like a hair dryer or a propane torch, or you can buy a draw collar from Friendly Fires, which can be installed by one of our certified technicians. And this gets installed on the smoke pipe right above the stove, and it heats up like an element to warm up the chimney pipe to create a draw. Other issues with backdrafting can be caused from a high wind, which is blowing smoke down your smoke pipe. This can be mitigated by installing something called a high wind cap or an anti-downdraft cap that can be purchased from Friendly Fires and installed by one of our certified technicians. Another common cause of backdrafting issues can be caused by an obstruction within the chimney system, something like a bird's nest or another obstruction. You can have a certified Friendly Fires technician come out to complete a wood sweep and a full system check. When lighting and reloading your fireplace or wood stove, you want to make sure the air control is opened so that there's as much air getting into the unit so that you can start a fire properly. When starting a fire, you want to use as dry as possible kindling, nice small pieces. And for the fuel here, we use newspaper ripped up into small pieces. If you're having issues getting the fire going, you may need to crack the door to let a little bit more air in, or you can add newspaper as needed. Once your kindling has established a strong flame like you see here, then you can add logs to your fire. If you're experiencing dry air inside your home during the winter season, you can buy something called a steamer from Friendly Fires, which is essentially a pot of water on top of the wood stove that brings some moisture back into the home. A good way to help you monitor the performance of your wood stove would be to purchase a Friendly Fires probe thermometer that goes right in the smoke pipe above the wood stove. This can be purchased through any of our 5 locations, online, or through the link below.